bishop. The best he could do here is actually to fianchetto his bishop, which is going to be wasting more time, and his king is not going to be the safest in the center of the board. So he plays pawn to d4, still not castling his king. Let's get our king out the center. Notice how my king is out the center and his king is still in the center. We know what's coming. The goal is to open the center. The center is already open. And I'm noticing that his queen and his king is on the same file. So a lot of stuff could happen here. Okay, he moves the queen out the way because he wants to finally develop his bishop and castle. But like how I want you guys to be looking on these types of position is, even though legally I think it's not easy to just keep his king in the center, you should try to look for as much attacking moves as you possibly can. For example, I'm just going to throw the knight on e4. And notice how I'm covering the square only once and he's covering the square twice. But I'm willing to do this and he's in fact already losing. Because now once I take, this is a fork. And if his queen takes, what I'm actually doing is I'm dragging his queen and his king on the same line. And then now I'm going to play the silent, quiet rook to e8. Once I hit him with rook to e8, it's over. I'm actively threatening to win his queen. And if he tries to move his queen out the way, I still get discovered attacks on his king. Now he plays bishop to b5. I mean, it's a good try, but he's actually completely losing the queen. Now, what I'm about to do is called a discovered attack, where my rook is on the same line as the queen and the king. So all I need to do is move my bishop to b4 and say check. My bishop is the piece that is doing the attacking, not my rook. He has to ensure that he responds to this check. And once he responds to the check, he's going to be losing an entire queen. So he blocks with the bishop. Let's just grab the queen. And just like that, I'm completely winning. Okay, he moves the king out the way. From here, the goal is to start trading as much pieces off the board. Let's get rid of the bishop. And the good thing is, taking with the knight would have been losing. So he decided to take with the king. I noticed that the knight is the main defender of this pawn. So I'm just going to develop my bishop, attacking the knight. And once I get rid of the knight, I will be able to take this pawn. Okay, he plays king to d3, guarding the pawn, but he's actually about to get checkmated. Again, I'm attacking twice. He's guarding twice. Once I play the move bishop takes f3, he's now only guarding once. Taking back the bishop is completely losing because queen takes pawn is just a checkmate.